And guys, when you're doing a freestyle, now go like don't go too fast. Just like take your time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Because some of you will never appear anyway. I mean, people and guys, like, fun, yeah? We'll shoot it like 3 times, the whole song, beginning to end. The freestyle only, and it's only modern only. But what I need is that my right stuff. I need it now though, because it's going to go down. Okay, ready? I don't like seeing now like 2 people with red, colors.
Jump. Katari. Anga.
Who's freestyling today? You're gonna freestyle? No, I thought you. But some of you boys who freestyle by the water, it may be a shadow. So you may want to do it. It may just be.
Numuno. Mufungure mushire amakazi garuka inyuma.
You can even stand, you guys can stand up here and like be giving that energy. Some people can be here, like on the side. Just give energy.
Mete vas, vamos.